you're a fitness coach using Alex Hormozi's $100 million sales script and still struggling to close clients, it's not your fault. The script wasn't built for you. Hormozi's method works great for generic high-ticket offers, but fitness coaching is different. Fitness clients are skeptical, they're hesitant, and need way more trust to commit. So today, I'm breaking down why Hormozi's script fails for fitness coaches and exactly how to fix it so you can start closing $3,000 plus coaching packages like clockwork. Let's get right into it. Hormozi's script is perfect for traditional high-ticket B2B offers, but fitness coaching is different. Here's where it breaks down. It assumes the prospect is already sold on coaching. Hormozi's framework works best when prospects already want what you're selling, but fitness clients, they don't fully trust the process yet. They're still thinking, do I even need a coach? Is this a scam? Can I just do it myself? And if you don't know how to handle these doubts up front, they'll completely ghost you. It's too aggressive for fitness clients. Fitness clients need nurturing and education, not just, hey, does this sound fair? Closing high-ticket fitness coaching is about building trust and handling objections before they arise. It focuses on logic instead of emotion. Hormozi's script is very logical, but fitness sales are driven by emotion. People don't buy coaching because it makes sense. They buy because they feel frustrated with their body, embarrassed about their progress, desperate for a real change. You need to lean into their emotions before talking about numbers. To fix this, here's how to adapt Hormozi's script specifically for fitness coaching. Step 1 is start with a trust building question. Instead of jumping into discovery, start with a rapport building question like, hey, before we dive in, have you ever worked with a coach before, or is this your first time? This helps you gauge their trust level and adjust your approach accordingly. Step 2, frame your coaching as the only real solution. Instead of assuming they want coaching, walk them through their past failures. Because let's be real, if Google workouts and diet plans worked, we wouldn't be having this conversation. What's actually stopped you from getting results on your own? This makes them realize why they need coaching before you even pitch it. Step 3 is sell the outcome, not the process. Fitness coaches make the mistake of selling meal plans, macros, or workouts when clients don't actually care about them. They care about how they'll feel when they hit their goal, what their life will look like with their dream body, how their confidence and energy will skyrocket. So reframe your pitch like this. My program isn't about macros or workouts. It's about making sure you never feel stuck in your body again. Can you imagine what they would feel like? Step 4 is the micro commitment close. See, Hormozi's close is direct, but fitness coaching clients need a softer transition. So use this instead. If this program got you the body and confidence you want without second guessing workouts or diets, would that be worth exploring further? This makes it feel like it's their decision, not a sales pitch. Step 5, the price justification framework. Instead of just dropping a number, frame it like this. So most people spend years trying random programs and end up right back to where they started. This fixes that permanently. Now, most fitness coaches charge $5,000 to $10,000 programs like this, but I keep mine at $3,000 so it's more accessible. Fair? This anchors the price and makes your offer feel like a steal. Listen, this one script can literally double your close rate overnight. And if you want my full fitness sales script cheat sheet, the exact word-for-word framework I use to help my clients hit $20,000 months, just drop the word sales in the comments below or message me sales on IG and I'll send it directly over to you. Don't let another fitness client slip through the cracks because your script isn't dialed in. Fix this and watch your fitness business explode. And if you want to do something that actually helps you, smash that like button, subscribe to see more, and leave a comment on what's stopping you from leveraging your online fitness business. And who knows, I might even make a video about it. I'm Eric Anthony Klima, and I'll see you on the next one.